In this recipe, I'm going to be using fresh aloe vera. Although I often do not advise fresh aloe vera to be in products because it will make it expire on time, and sometimes it makes the remaining product to be ineffective. Well, however, I'm going to be using fresh aloe vera here for this because this cream is not intended to really last for long. Okay, so I'm just going to peel off the skin of the aloe vera to get all the gel. So after removing the gel, remember that this skin is still useful. You can use it to massage your stretch marks, or you can use it to soothe your wounds. It helps to heal wounds faster. So here is the gel we got out from the stem of the aloe vera. And after then, I'm going to try to beat this aloe vera gel to remove or to reduce the lumps. So I'm going to use a whisk to beat this until the lumps are eventually reduced. After whisking, I try to filter out the aloe vera gel to, set the lumps aside and get the gel without lumps. But it was really taking more of my time, and I was just able to reduce the lumps to a real good size. So I decided to use all of it since it's DIY, and the lumps were really small actually. Okay, so after this, I'm going to be using 2 oils for this recipe. The first is my hemp seed oil. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of my hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is one oil you should trust for your hair recipes. It helps to grow edges. It's a powerful stimulant for hair growth. It helps to give a rapid hair growth, a full hair, a healthy hair, and long hair. Another oil I'll be using here is neem oil. I'll be using a tablespoon of neem oil, and these 2 oils are absolutely great choice for hair recipes. And if you try out this recipe, you'll be glad you did. So after this, I'll be adding my shea butter. Remember, I didn't measure these ingredients because it's a DIY and it is not to be kept for a long time. It is not to be kept or sold. It's something you just make and you use up instantly. So you can melt your shea butter if you want, but however, I want it to remain in the butter form, so I'm not melting my own shea butter. So I'll just go ahead and whisk this shea butter from here. Also, adding your vitamin E oil is quite optional. You can add yours if you want. You can make use of the capsule if you want as well. If you do not want, you can also leave it out of this recipe. It's still going to be great. So also your essential oil, you can also leave that out if you want. You can add some drops of any essential oil of your choice. Peppermint is a nice choice. So I'm going ahead to whisk this mix until it's finally smooth and fluffy. This hair butter can be used by anybody, male or female, child or adult can use this butter. It is really safe, and do not use this butter more than 6 weeks before you make another one, because it doesn't have to last long. It doesn't have to stay long. Okay, if not, the aloe vera in it may become ineffective. Okay, so you just have to use it up instantly, and make sure you use it every day if you can. And if you can't use it every day, make sure you use it up to 3 times in a week. Concentrate on your scalp and especially your edges if you really want your edges to come out well. So here's the butter, and I think it's really mixed and fluffy. If you want to continue mixing, you can do that, but I think I'm okay with this consistency. I'll quickly get a storage container to store this butter. Make sure that you are storing this in an airtight container where it can be closed and closed well, so that it doesn't go rancid. Okay, so after this, you store in a cool place. Do not refrigerate. For fast results, you can use every day for 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks you can start using 3 times a week until you get your desired results. If this video is helpful to you, Do well to give me a thumb up. Leave any questions you have down there in the comment section. Check description box for more details about this video, and give me a feedback if you're making this butter or if you've tried it already and you already got the outcome you need, or you're satisfied with the butter. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate. I hope to see you in my next video, but for now, take care and bye.